should have been a man, honestly. God should have made me a man.
392 with beauty beat, now gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Beauty beat, she bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. 392 with beauty beat, now gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty392B here. If you're new here, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. We're going up all 2023 and I am back on YouTube. Hello. So today is Thursday. I believe it's March 30th. In Jacksonville, Florida on Saturday, I believe it's April 1st, they have an illegal drift meet. So I'm getting the B ready, so get ready to get back on the road and get back to my sliding, my drifting. Seeing my friends and stuff. So I just have like a few things to tidy up on the B to get ready to get on the road. So I don't know if you guys know, when I went to Philly, somebody had ran into the back of me. So right now I'm out here getting, my boyfriend is doing my diffuser. Somebody hit me in the back and it cracked, so I ordered a new one off of eBay. I just want to go out there, with my car looking right and me looking right. Yeah, he's going ahead and put that on for me. I actually just got to be out the shop, so as you guys know, I wrecked my GSXR1000. That is coming along really good. It's damn near done. He just had to put the rims and tires back on, but it's all fixed out inside a clip that he sent to me, I believe yesterday with the car, with the bike. Also, I did the motorcycle safety course for Harley Davidson. Your girl passed. I inserted some pictures as well on my certificate. So the nickname that I got was Moto Acrobatics, because I was out there trying to do flips. I was trying to do tricks on the bike. Like I'm, just showing that I'm ready to get back on my bike. So I decided to put the bike and the car in the shop at the same time, so they can both come out at the same time. I could play on either one, the Scat or the 1000. So yeah, I can't wait for my car to get done. I'm probably gonna pick up the camera tomorrow because it's like a 7-hour drive from New Orleans to Jacksonville. So I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow. And we on the road. We outside on a light day. I get that shit from Tree watching his channel, but yeah, guys, I can't wait to get back on the road, see my friends, and take you guys with me. See y'all tomorrow. Out with the old and in with the new. Honestly, I should have been done this. I don't know what took me so long. No plate, no motherfucking case. All right, mama.
Next day.
Hi guys, it is the next day. I'm just packing up my last minute little things for Jacksonville today. It's a 7-hour drive once again. My mood is a little down. When I start driving, I'll tell you guys why. Yeah, I'm just sitting here packing up, just getting all the stuff together. For the fit, we have on my Yeezys, just some tights, a little Louisiana shirt. That's about it. So I'm about to go ahead and get the B all packed up and loaded and go ahead and get on the road. I shouldn't make it there until I want to say about 10-11 o'clock tonight. So yeah, I got the braids, did a little makeup, just a little beat, just to pull up there. So supposed to be a park and chill going on tonight. We're gonna see about that. I'm tired. I got off at 6 o'clock this morning and I got my nails done. This is the nails, the grass. And I've been on a road ever since, so I am tired. But we're gonna go ahead and knock out this 7-hour drive. Oh, baby, just pulled up with that field. That field. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So currently just touched down in Alabama. I got like 5 hours and 25 minutes left. So I just want to touch bases on like why I was feeling like a little sad, or just like in a little down mood, because I went to work last night, right, and I have nothing but time on my hands when I'm not dispatching or getting crazy 911 calls, right? So I'm watching a video, and it's literally a man who never rode a motorcycle, who was starting off on a GSXR 1000, right? And you just see everybody in the comments like, you know, oh yeah, you know, you got this, I support you. I'll go and read my comments, you know, which I don't do often, I don't do a lot. And you know, the atmosphere is totally different. Like under a man, you know, video, y'all praising, oh, you know, you got this, looking good, my brother, you know, congrats on the bike. You know, some of you guys, you know, will congratulate me, you know, thank you. But for the others, you could take it and shove it up your ass. Just like that. So I'm just gonna be more mindful of, you know, just sticking to, you know, positivity and just steady gravitating towards people who support me. The haters gonna really shove it up their ass and take it how it is. But it just irritated me a little bit, you know, with the stereotype of, you know, when a man do it, it's, oh yeah, you know, we're gonna dick ride him. But when a girl do it, oh, you don't know what you're doing. But you know, it's a totally different tone. But I'm going to demand my respect, and I will go back and forth with a motherfucker who feel like, you know, they want to get in them comments and talk shit and be about their action. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the camera when I get a little bit further into my drive, and just safe travels. We're in Florida. What's up, guys? So we are now in Jacksonville, Florida. It was a long drive. I'm ready to drink, kick my feet up, and just relax. Tonight they're supposed to be having a park, I think like a park and chill, meet and chill, shit like that. So just about to go freshen up, eat, and head out. So I'll probably pick the camera back up tomorrow. I know the event is tomorrow, so get some rest and stuff like that. So y'all gotta have a good night. Boom, in that fucking video, in it.
Next day.
Good morning, welcome back. So it is morning time. We're getting ready to go to the event. So it's supposed to be from like 12 to 7, I think, but I will not be there all day. You girl is looking cute, braids, outfit. I'm just so happy to be out here. It's a vacation, it's a fucking vibe. I can't wait to go inside. Who is calling me? So goddamn rude. So rude. Hold on. Hello? You ready? Airbnb is beautiful. So, getting ready to get in the car. About to head to go another broken egg. Get some breakfast with the gang really quick. My car is a mess, as per usual. Oh my god, we just got done eating at another broken egg, and that shit was nasty. It did not taste like the one back in New Orleans. That shit was nasty, and I did not leave a tip. Let me tell you something. Y'all could get in these comments talking about, oh, you didn't leave a tip. No. If the food is nasty, the service is piss poor, bitch, you ain't getting a tip. Nobody told you to work for tips. I will never pick a job that work for tips. That's just me. So, to each his own. To each his own. So I gotta get gas and get ready to head to the pit. So I heard that shit was fucking packed already. I'm not gonna lie, I'm late. I'm a little late, but that's just gonna help me slide better. Take the nerves out, you feel me? Gotta get some gas. That wide body scat is fire. Fire. So I gotta go get some gas, and I gotta head out to the pit. I can't stand red eye ride in these fucking shades. I just can't. I can't. So Alright, see you guys when I get there. Yo, that fucking pit was crazy. Hopefully somebody sent me the footage of me going. I only was able to go one time because I had to wait in line for like 2 fucking hours just to slide. It was crazy. They got cars lined up all the way down there. Cars all the way down there on the trailers. Like, everybody really came out and did their thing for real. Everybody really did their fucking thing. So, yeah, well, I fixed his shit. Everybody really did their thing. I mean, cars are parked all the way down up the street. It's crazy. So, probably about to head back to the house and get some food, take a shower, and shit like that. So, thank you. I'm tired. The sun that whipped my ass. I've been out here since 11. It's like 4 o'clock. I can't take all that sliding. And just to slide and fucking, just to slide and to fucking go one time, pay $25 to go one time is crazy. And then they have like, it's no control on how many people get in the pit with you. Who's to say everybody can drive? You feel me? Who's to say you want to slide with that person? Like me, I like to go by myself or with people who I know I seen personally that has the will. You got niggas just hopping in who ain't got shit to lose. It be the people who got the most, who ain't got shit to lose, who be doing the most shit. Like, damn. So many people that wreck, so many people that hit people. Like, it's, yeah, I don't think I'll be coming to this again. I'm gonna stick. Well, I like a little ratchet. They're supposed to be doing a takeover tonight in the O. The O is Orlando, so I'll be heading there tonight. Probably get a good 1-2 slides in and call that shit quits. Go home and get back to my fucking kids. Somebody told me I cursed a lot. Let me tell you something. When you in the military, I've been in the military 10 years. You in the military and you deal with a bunch of stupid fucking people, you curse a lot.
Turn left onto Edgewood Drive.
It's just natural to me. But I'm trying to work and try to be more ladylike. But I'm not a lady. I should have been a man, honestly. God should have made me a man. Because I'm a nigga at heart. So I'm about to go ahead and get back to the Airbnb, shower up, eat, probably drink some fucking Casamigos, and just, I mean, really about to come toe-to-toe to punching on niggas out here because niggas just can't get that shit together. This is the rules, right? This is the rules for the pit. You park in the pit
in a quarter mile.
Instead of getting your ass the fuck about the pit, you park in the pit. And if anybody hits your car, you're liable for that shit. Get the fuck out the pit. Do your 1-2 slides and get the fuck out. Like, you just chilling parked on the side. Like, you taking away from the other side of space, and you know they telling. Go ahead on with that shit, man. They still got people trying to park and come here. That's crazy. They had about 70 max. It's crazy. It's wild.
At the next stop sign,
but
turn right.
Yeah, I'm going home and wash my ass. Hey. Oh my god. It is, goddamn, back up. It is the next day, the next morning. Baby, I am tired. Let me go ahead and turn up this music so I do not get copyrighted. Last night we went and ate at a spot called the Juicy Crab. It was like this seafood spot. They had like boiled seafood bags and stuff like that. It was really good, but I keep forgetting that I can't eat shrimp, and it fucks with me. Like, oh my god, it fucks with me so bad. Well, my face is all puffed up. I was tired, so today, getting on the road, going back home to my babies. I am ready to go. I think just being away from my little babies for so long, it just make me a little irritated. So I have like a 6-hour drive back to New Orleans. Gonna go ahead and knock that out with ease. Tomorrow is my son's 6th birthday, so hopping right back into mommy mode. Yeah, man, the trip was nice. It was well deserved, well needed. Oh my god, I just wish I was able to slide more. I definitely, sliding yesterday definitely made me realize that the B does need some upgrades as far as like I need more throttle, a better throttle response. Like, I feel like it has a lag, so I think it's time to tune. I want to get a tune. I want to get a Hellcat throttle body, and I already have the intake, but you know the Hellcat throttle and the Scatpack is not the same. The Hellcat is much bigger, so I have to change that whole piece. So just, you know, for a quicker response, you know, less lag time when I'm sliding, so I'm not mashing on the fucking, you know, gas and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video here. My battery is dying. Ugh. So catch y'all in the next vlog. The bike is done, y'all, don't forget. So a vlog about that should be coming up next. So I'm so excited. Stay safe, stay dangerous, y'all.
She bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing